Guys, today we're going to be replacing the factory steering wheel in the C63S Benz to this brand new carbon fiber and Alcantara steering wheel. This thing is absolutely amazing. You can see the quality right there. Has new paddle shifters as well, also in carbon fiber, and it utilizes the factory airbag. So that's just a cover. We'll put that over the original airbag and we'll see what it looks like when it's all done.
No, I'm sturdy like a Millie Rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket, don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket, it sound like a thunder rocket, yeah.
And first thing you should do whenever you're working with airbag stuff is remove the negative terminal off the battery. So that's just a 10mm. Loosen that off. You can pop it up like so, and then get a microfiber towel and just wedge that in there. Okay, just to make sure that doesn't touch anything. Just like that. For this part, you need to remove the airbag. It's very easy to do, but what you need to do is find the little ports. So on the side of the steering wheel, you have these that run along. Right above them are two little slits in the leather. They're so small that you mightn't even see them. They're right, you can feel them with your fingers. You can feel a little rivet and you can get something like that straight through. And then all you want to do is sort of push on it. Okay, wiggle it around. And you'll see the airbag release. There we go. Just like that, and you can see one side's loose. Once you've popped the airbag out using those little holes that we talked about earlier, you will, depending on what kit you have, with this one, this is the old cover, so you need to remove the cover, and this is the new cover. And you can see the cover slides into this housing and has little tabs right here. And these tabs all push in and click on. When you're removing the old cover, you need to lift these tabs and pull the cover off. It's very hard, it took us a long time. But that's the new airbag cover for the new airbag. Oh well, for the original airbag, looks awesome. And then 10mm Allen key, pop it on this, figure out how, and undo it. Okay, so we used an extension with a long bit, put some pressure on it, and off you go. It helps if you have two people, because when you disconnect the battery, there's no lock. So you need to have someone, we had someone hold the wheel, Brandon, who's behind the camera, and then I cranked on it, got it off nice and easily, and then you can unplug this. And then once that's unplugged, you can pull the wheel off. And now we're up to the next part. Okay, so when you're up to this stage, you can literally grab your new wheel, slide it right on, put it back together, pop the airbag in, and you're done. But what we are going to do is remove not the silver trim, but just the buttons off of this wheel and transfer them to the new wheel. So we'll get that done and see how it looks. There's that metal bracket right there, and you just use the original Torx 20 bolts from the first wheel. We're just gonna pop them, line that up, there we go, and then you can screw it down. Just make sure you spring, all of your springs are sitting in the little house that they're meant to, and then you can screw it right down. Boom. This wheel is now on. Looks amazing. We've transferred the buttons, so we've got the factory buttons all plugged in, all plugged in. These are the new paddles. They look and feel amazing. Very, very good quality there. And all we need to do now is plug the airbag in, pop it on, and pray that everything works. Okay, that's plugged in. Boom. Done. Wow. That looks nuts. And it's mad. Guys, that is the wheel done. Have a look at that. Looks absolutely insane. It's much better. We've just tested everything, so horn works, volume, all working. All these buttons all work. We tested them already, so you can still control all your OEM stuff. If we put the car into drive, you can see drive right here. If I click up, second gear, click back down, first gear, so we can see that all the paddles are working. No faults on the dash. We are good to go. Guys, that is the C63S completed. Very, very straightforward installation. If you have any questions regarding the install, drop them in the comments below. If you want to reach out to us, it's www.shoptfb.com. Fill out the contact form. We don't sell the steering wheel on the website yet, but it is something that we will possibly look into. If you want to reach out to us, again, on the website, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.